Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all smashing it. So today we've been doing a little bit of work on the e92, just sorting a few little faults on it. Obviously in the other video we've been doing the front discs and pads because she was getting a little bit of a grinding noise under heavy braking. So we've just replaced the discs and the front pads just to cure that. In this video we're just going to basically sort these front headlight washer jets. Now this has really been niggling me. It's quite a common fault on these. Basically, obviously when you're using your washer, washes the headlights and these don't fully retract. Now the reason for that is obviously you get a bit of a sludge build up in your washer tank. It goes down the tubes and it stops the spring fully retracting. So I've been having a quick look. Should be a nice simple job. It's only cost about 17 quid for both of them replaced. These are the actual items. Now these aren't handed because they're fully adjustable. These basically clip in, you've got two little tabs and a little locator, so it should be quite an easy one. We just need to get these out first, get these end caps off, and hopefully I can cure this problem. So the first thing to do with this is to remove the little covers, so this can slide out on the inside. So it's quite easy with this, especially with these aren't all fully in. So just need to pull that back, obviously hold that. You've got two little tabs either side, so just pop them off like so. Careful you don't break anything, and they just slide off. So there's one, and we'll just get the other side done, and then hopefully we can remove these from the inside. This one's a little bit more fiddly because it's just retracted a little bit more. But we'll just pull that out just to keep some pressure on the back. Clip those two tabs off. And there we go. Look at that, it's gone all the way in now. So working from inside the wheel arch, obviously this is the driver's side. We've got 8, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 8mm bolts that we need to remove, and then one 10mm bolt there. Then we can get this inner arch out. So we'll just crack on with that. Sorry, forgetting this one. And now for the 10mm. So with all them removed, we should be able to remove this cover. Little clips here as well, so we'll just pull them out. There we go, that's removed. So now you should be able to see this is the actual washer jet here. So got a little plastic clip that just needs to be removed. Obviously water's going to drain out of this, so I'll get a little bucket underneath it, and let me see if I can just show you that a little bit better. So that's the inside of it, just there. You've got your little locator at the bottom, and then let's see if I can show this. You've basically got, excuse the camera, there, just here, there's a clip there, and there's one on this side that just actually clip it in. So we need to push them down and slide it out. So let's have a little go. Can I do this? Might need to get myself a flat blade for this one. So I don't know whether you can see that, but those two little tabs, when it locates in, they just lock in down there. So all I've had to do, excuse the camera angle, is get a little flat blade screwdriver and just prise these two little tabs just there up, one this side and one on the other side, and that just comes out. So now all I've got to do is remove this little clip on here, and that should just pull out, and the pipe should just come off. So I'll just lift that off, put that to one side, and then we should get quite a bit of water coming out of this. So there we go, that's done. So what I have actually done there is obviously pop the pipe off, taken this out, and then just popped it back in. Now obviously that is going to stop me losing all my washer fluid. So we need to get the new one in here, which should be quite easy. So I'll just get that here. Now that should just slide on here. Obviously you've got a little locator at the bottom, so make sure that goes in. And just like that, that's clipped back in. It's not going anywhere. So just need to get the hose on there. So let's do this. It's a bit fiddly using one hand, but that old one's off. Get the new one on there, and excuse the camera. Let's get that clip back on. And there we go. Job's good. It's one side done. Just got to do the same on the other side. As you can see, that's nicely recessed in there. So we just need to pop the front caps on once we've got the other side done, and hopefully that should fix it. So to get this front cap on, obviously be careful because you don't want to break anything, but we just need to pull this out, obviously hold it nice and solid, and then your old cap should just clip right back on like that, and look at that, fits in nicely. Let's get the other side done. So there we go, got both of these changed. To be honest, dead simple job, probably taking me, I'd say no longer than half an hour, maximum 45 minutes. The issue you can see with these is these aren't fully retracted in, so as you can see, I can push that the last little bit of the way. Obviously you saw the water coming out of it there. So with nothing behind it, nope, still getting stuck. Now, I do believe you can clean these off and they'll start working again, but for the sake of 17 quid and a little bit of work, I'd just say replace them. Just gives you a bit more peace of mind. So I hope you like the video, hope you're liking the content. As always, hit that subscribe button and that like button, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you later.